This video is going to show how to create a clocked T flip-flop spice model in OrCAD PSpice. Open the provided design in OrCAD PSpice 23.1. Select Place, PSpice Part, Modeling Application from the menu. In the Modeling application, expand Digital, Flip-flops. Select Clocked T Set Reset. This model contains preset and clear pins which can be used to set the output of the flip-flop without the clock. In the Options window, set the clock to output delay to 150 nanoseconds, the set reset delay to 175 nanoseconds, the setup time to 20 nanoseconds, and the hold time to 2 nanoseconds. Set the threshold to 2.5 volts, the hysteresis width to 2, the output resistance to 1 milliohm, and the input resistance to 10 gigaohms. Click Place. Click to place the flip-flop in the schematic. Select the Voltage Level Marker button from the toolbar. Click to place probes on the clock, data, and data out nets. Right-click and select End Mode when finished. Select PSpice, Run from the menu. View the simulation results. The output toggles when the input is high. Back in the schematic, select the flip-flop. Right-click and select More, Edit PSpice Component. Change the initial condition to 1. Select Update. Select PSpice, Run from the menu. View the results. The output is inverted. Quickly create the required T flip-flop spice models and simulate accurate digital circuit behavior with the PSpice modeling application in OrCAD PSpice. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.